Here's how to find hotels near World Cup 2026 stadiums on booking.com. First, open your browser, then go to booking.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. In the main search bar, type the exact name of the stadium. For example, type MetLife Stadium for East Rutherford instead of just the general host city. Now select the stadium landmark from the drop-down menu and enter your match dates and click search. Once your initial search results load, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here click on Map option. This opens an interactive map showing you exactly where the stadium is located alongside pin drops for every available hotel room nearby. If you close the map view and return to the list, you can look at the filter section. Here scroll down to distance from landmark and check the boxes for less than 1 kilometer or less than 3 kilometers to instantly clear out properties that require long commute times. Now, once you find a property that fits your budget and distance preferences, click on it and select your room. Now complete your checkout. And that's how you can find hotels near World Cup stadiums on booking.com. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.